Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get Slack notification for new YouTube videos. First of all you have to do is open Zapier, zapier.com. You have to make an account and click on Zap Automated Workflows. Click on it. Now this page will open. You have two options, trigger and actions. Okay, you have to select trigger, and from here you have to select YouTube. You have to search YouTube and click on YouTube. A tab will open. From here, the trigger event, you have to choose an event, click on it, and you have to select new video because we want to get the notification whenever we post a new video. And from here you have to select your YouTube account. You have to link your YouTube account. I have already linked it, so it's showing here. Select your YouTube account and click on continue. From here you have to enter your channel ID. Where to get the channel ID? You have to go to the studio.youtube.com, YouTube Studio. From here you have to go to the customization. From here you have to copy this section after channel / okay, you have to copy this ID, go back to Zapier and paste your channel ID, wait for 2 or 3 seconds, and then you will see the continue button will appear here. As you can see, you have to click on continue. Now you can test your trigger now. If you have any video posted, I haven't posted any video, so I cannot test my trigger, so you can also skip the test. So after that, all you have to do is go to the actions tab, click on actions and select Slack here, click on Slack, and from here choose an event. From here you have to find send channel message. For example, I will search send, and here is the option called send channel message. I will click on it, and you have to connect your Slack account. I have already connected, so you have to select your Slack account here. Once selected, click on continue. Now from here you can pick a channel. You can pick general, or you can also create any custom field here. I will click on general and I will type any text, for example, hey guys. Now this is my channel message. Whenever I will post a new video, this message will be appear in Slack. So I will click on the plus button. From here you have to select the title, build your first app with Zapier. Okay, I will select title. Once selected, you have to click on continue. You can also test your setup or skip this test, and that's how you can connect your you can get Slack notifications for new YouTube videos. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.